there goes Richard, G0 NAD, going home to get the microphone for his G90 because he forgot to bring it. I've set a timer going. It's been 24 seconds so far. Okay, while I'm waiting for Richard to come back, I've set up one of my cheap AliExpress verticals because I've now got 2 of them, and I want to make a parasitic reflector to give me a bit of gain. So I've put the driven element, as it were. I've got 5 radials out scattered around, pinned down so that they're sort of like fully extended and should stay in place. And I got at 14.2 megs, I was getting a SWR of about 1 to 1.2, something like that, which is pretty good. And I've measured the telescoping section, just laid it flat, and I got 5.24 meters, which sounds about right. Now the parasitic reflector should be 25% longer than that, which is about another 25 centimeters. So what I've done, I've measured out or extended the second whip, but actually found that it's considerably shorter than the other whip. In theory, they should be both the same. So what I've done is I've extended it with 2 sections here from a buddy pole, so that I can get it long enough to be 25 centimeters. I'm not sure what the comparative lengths are because I haven't adjusted that. The original one that was here, I haven't actually. I could have probably achieved the same thing by just using the longer one as the reflector, but I just thought that was easier to do rather than faff about sort of swapping them over. So anyway, and I need to space it, the reflector, which will be over here, I need to put that 4.2 meters behind the driven element. So that's my next step. Okay, so what we've got the reflecting element here at the back, which is about 25 centimeters longer, and we've got the driven element here. I've actually ordered a field strength meter, just a cheap field strength meter from AliExpress, which would be like ideal.
0 November Alpha Delta, Golf 0 November Alpha Delta, portable.
From Italy, Zulu 1, Whiskey Ontario, Bravo. My name is Renato, QTH Genoa, North East Italy. Your report 59,
G90 running 20 watts with a couple of vertical antennas, one working as a parasitic reflector beaming to the south. So thanks very much for your signal report. Nice to speak to you. Back over to you.
Okay, so Richard's now he's got a tent peg in his VNA, and he's looking at the field strength, that sort of relative field strength. It's not very scientific. So he's going around the front and around the back.
But it's definitely not radiating to the rear.
It's not radiating to the rear as much. We're trying it again.
Okay, go again.
Okay, he's now going to try the side.
Take it.
Yeah.
Tiny bit of the side lobe there, yeah, which you'd expect.
He's got a side lobe. It's like, this is really not very scientific.
Yeah, it's definitely coming out the front.
Yeah.
Small side lobes at the side, nothing out the rear.
Yeah.
Which is most.
It's getting some gain then.
There's more signal coming out the front.
There's more coming out the front than there is out the back. That's what we need to know.
Success.
And the idea is that I want to use this on the salt marsh. So do away with the need for the radials. That's the plan. Oh, and this the reflector, the longer element, the ground, it's actually grounded, and at the feed point. So I'm just using a crocodile clip. I'll put a photo of that up. So yeah, there you go. Tell us about this thing here then, mate. What do you call that? The bat
box.
The bat box.
Yeah, it's got 4 18650 batteries in it and a regulator. So it's putting out 16 volts, and that's just going straight in the back of the radio. And then this kind of curved box unit on the front is directing the sound from the speaker straight to the operator. That's quite a good bit of difference actually.
And he 3D printed it and
Painted it.
and he's very kindly made me one as well. A nice guy, isn't he?
Okay, Golf 0, Nancy Alpha Delta Portable 59.
Yeah, lovely. You're 5-9 also. 5-9 plus 20. Great signal. Thanks very much for taking the call. 7 3s.
Done. 2 QSOs was that?
3, I think.
Oh, 3 QSOs. Right. More experimentation needed. It just so happens that tomorrow we're doing something else, and Richard's going to bring his field strength meter. That's it. 7.3. Till next time.